Chai tea latte, wood spoon stirred.
Just the way I like it, thank you, babe.
No problem.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog, and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And happy Saturday, although I don't know what day it is for you, and I really don't think that it's Saturday, so apologies. But it is Saturday here, and I thought I would take you guys along with me and Connor because we have a whole fun day planned, which I'm really looking forward to. We actually have a very fun day planned. We are going to drive into Malibu and just spend the day there. We have a couple ideas of different places we want to go, but we're mostly just going to play it by ear, drive around, see what we find, eat a lot of good food, of course. It is almost my birthday, you guys. Actually, when you're watching this, my birthday has already come and gone, but when I'm filming this, I am currently, what, 4 days away from my birthday, which is pretty crazy. I'm excited though. I think it'll be really fun. We have some fun stuff planned, and I know Connor has some planned for the evening of my birthday. I'm gonna be with Tara during the day. I don't know if they are working together or not. I have no idea. I don't know. This year I was just not that into trying to figure out too much for my birthday. Just sort of wanted it to be more low-key. By the way, this is the Paula's Choice Daily Hydrating Fluid. It has SPF 50 in it. I figured since we're gonna be in Malibu. I mean, I should wear sunscreen every day. I'm sometimes bad about that. So camera battery died. Anyway, I was just calling myself out for not always being diligent about sunscreen when I know I should. I always am when I'm like doing beach days, stuff like that, but I know it's not enough. It has to be on the daily. We're working on it, people. So yeah, just thought we could get ready together quickly here. I sort of just want to do something really light, low-key today, but like glowy bronzy. So yeah, what I've decided to do is go in with just my normal Tarte concealer in like my normal color, which I think is like neutral light, fair neutral. And then I'll just bronze up to like sort of help it not look so white and match my body slightly better. That will be okay. We're gonna be able to like blend this and make it look a little better. Blush and highlight always help with that. I'm gonna use my nude sticks today just because a fun little pop of pink sounds up my alley for what I'm looking for my look to be today. For our eyes, I've been switching up a little lately and been very into what I've been doing, so gotta show you guys. Pretty much my always starter, first of all, I pretty much 99% of the time use the Kylie, the very first Kylie palette that ever came out. I don't even know what this is called, bronze palette or whatever. I just like to use a big fluffy brush to sort of add a bit of color all over the lid. And for the most part, I sort of leave my eyes like that. Sometimes I will take this more shimmery brown here and just, oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, just a little bit over top of this. Next, what I do is take this angled brush, but sort of thick, and I'm gonna go in with this matte dark brown color. I just press it in there and then tap off the excess. And then I just go ahead and put a thick sort of line right across my lashes here. I'm going to take this like smaller smudger brush and just blend that out. That's fine. Next, I take this really small thin brush, again, that same dark brown, and then I just go in with a little line there and connect it to that little smoky moment that we were having. So that's looking pretty good to me. And then the last thing I do is just use that same smudger brush, and we're gonna smudge that same color under our eye, just on the outer third. Mascara. Brows are next. Okay, here is the makeup. I feel like you can see it a little bit better in this lighting here, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna wear now. Okay, here's the fit that we landed on here. I don't know, I was feeling very uninspired, so hopefully this is, whatever, it's gonna be fine. Put my hair back and then finger quill this guy to look a little better once it's dried, but it's wet right now. So that's why it looks a little bit like that, but yeah, this is gonna be the little look for the day. Got a cute little black shoes on. I'm gonna wear a black bag. I have a black clip in my hair to add a little contrast. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
You don't need anything else, my name's Tamara.
Thank you. Cheers.
Happy date day.
Happy date day. Sorry, it was very zoomed in on your face. First stop here is Duke's. How is it?
It's good. It's got some nice heat to it.
Ooh, okay, so we got the spicy cucumber margarita.
It is spicy.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that is good.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Very tasty.
Very yummy. We got a little appy here. We have the pokey tacos, which are so good. And then we got, these are the black bean nachos, but I don't like black beans, so we got the black beans on the side for Connor, so that he can have some with his. And yeah, we're just at the bar here at Duke's. It's beautiful view. Loving it. Cheers. That was so good. We've just been chowing on our appies here. Yep. We actually got moved to a table with this gorgeous view, which I have been so happy about. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. You can hear the ocean, smell it. It's amazing. I am all for it. And we were planning on getting like one more thing to share here, but we're actually pretty full from our appies. And so I think we're gonna move on to the next place once we're finished with this. But I got one more marg and Connor got a beer. So we're gonna down these and then roll. Alrighty, we are back on the road again. And we are off, unsurprisingly, to get some oysters.
Oysters!
Having a nice seafood day over here, which, what else is new? Every day is seafood day for us. Right. We are going to check out this place. It's called Broad Street Oyster Company. Never been before.
What side is it on? Do you know?
I think the right-hand side.
I agree.
Yeah. Very intrigued to check it out. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so we'll see what the deal is. We'll keep you in the loop.
Oysters sound yummy. It's been a long time.
I know. Oysters sound great right now. Very excited. Okay, oysters galore here. We got 18 oysters, a couple beers. I'm very ready for these. It's been too long. It's gonna be good.
Wow.
That was so good.
Oh, really good. So much hot sauce in mine.
So much hot sauce. Happy Sunday, friends, and we are heading out to our favorite Sunday activity, the farmer's market. We have not been in weeks. I think we've maybe only been like once this year, so very excited to get back into the swing of things.
Your people.
Yeah. All right, making good progress here. We got some fish, we got some good bread.
Just beaming with community feel.
Some noodles. So yummy and fresh. We haven't been here in a couple weeks, and there's some good like newer, like new produce that's come into season. So it's fun to look through. Oh, the flowers are so pretty here today, you guys.
Making it hard.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get some tulips since they're in season and just looking gorgeous. Time for a haul for you guys. Picked up a lot of normal stuff today. We didn't really pick up too many new things. First of all, the flowers today were so gorgeous. So excited about them. Look at how pretty. It just feels like spring. And I am all for it. So gorgeous. Also picked up a baguette here, which we have not had our good baguettes in so long. It'll be so good. As well as our pretzel buns, and this is something new actually, a loaf of rye sourdough. I'm gonna use this for my sandwiches this week. I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's gonna be very yummy. And he gave us like a little extra treat, which he always does. He's so sweet. I forget what he said these were, just like
brioche buns?
Yeah, little mini brioche buns. He said they're like good to have with your coffee.
In the morning.
Super cute. Like look how cute and tiny they are. Also got some fresh olive oil. We've gotten olive oil from this stand before and it's very good. We were all out of just nice olive oil for like dressing things, not cooking with. So wanted to grab a fresh jar of that. Connor also picked up a ton of freebies. One being these Partake cookies, those vegan cookies. I've tried them before, they're pretty good. And then he got this bag, which is from Isle of Paradise. Looks like they have a sampler of their little tanner in here. These are like the little face drops. I've tried Isle of Paradise before. It's not my favorite self tanner. You just have to use it like very carefully, I find. Otherwise, you look a little orange at times. Got a ton of our normal little spreads here. So we got the chipotle, what is it, chipotle garlic? Kate's not listening.
Sorry, yes, the chipotle garlic.
Avocado jalapeno. We got the carrot dip. Nice piece of salmon here. We actually are having such a busy week coming up. There's so much stuff going on. So I don't know how many meals we're gonna be cooking at home, as many as we can, but there's gonna be a lot going on. And I believe that that is everything. So there you go. We're gonna put this stuff away and then make ourselves some coffee to enjoy outside because it's a beautiful day. We want Molly Cat to be able to enjoy some of it as well. My little baby angel, come here. Come say hi. Yeah, good morning. Good girl. Gotta get our fresh flowers going, which, oh, I'm so excited for. Okay, these little guys are gonna go in our pig. They're so pretty. Also, having actual like flower, or I don't know what these would be called, whatever, stem shears, has made this such a better process. I used to get so annoyed, so frustrated with like having to cut through like thick stems that are hard to get through, and these just like slide right through. It's so nice. So cute. And then I like to keep tulips pretty long. That way they sort of like flop over. You know that look? You know that look. You know what I'm talking about. Really don't need much of a trim, just enough to let some fresh water soak in. Look at how stinking cute. I love our little pig. And then over here, we have our tulips, which are still blooming, so they're gonna just look so pretty over the next couple of days. Ooh, look at this lighting with this shadow on my face. Let's maybe
Lovely,
go
right?
this way. We are just relaxing outside right now. We have our coffees, and I'm reading a little bit on my Kindle while Connor, I don't know what he's doing. He's shopping for birthday presents for me, and I made some very specific requests, but he has let me know that he will be vetoing some of my requests in exchange for things that he has planned, so I'm very intrigued. Also, Molly Cat was out here for a little while, but she was just being a brat and also was covered in dirt, so I had to like take her inside and wipe her down. She was like screaming at me.
Yeah, she was being a little bratty.
Yeah, it was a whole time, so we're just out here without her now, but the sun feels so nice. Such a beautiful day out today. I actually started a new book. I'm taking a little break from Little Fires Everywhere. You know, I was like 100 pages in. It's taken me a long time to get 100 pages in just because it was going slow for me. I was feeling slow. We're just eating these little mini brioche buns that we got from the like bread stall at our farmer's market today. They're very yummy. And it's been a very nice start to the day. We were outside for quite a few hours. I was just reading. Connor was working on some stuff. Then we came inside and oops. Crumbs everywhere.
Shop. Good side.
Thanks. I came inside and got a little bit of work done here, and now we are ready just to commence a full chill Sunday. I think we're just gonna have like some leftovers or like whatever for lunch and chill out, and that's the plan. Oh, guys, it has been such a relaxing Sunday here. We have literally just been chilling. We played some games. We watched Dune, which was our first time watching that. It was really good. What else did we watch? Anything? Oh, I watched the Euphoria season finale. I have a lot of thoughts, but I don't want to say anything because I don't want to ruin it for anyone, but
Got some thoughts.
there was some crazy stuff, and also at times I was super underwhelmed, so I don't know. I'll leave it at that.
I feel like I saw most of it on TikTok already.
Yeah, no kidding. We just got dinner. We decided to get tocaya for dinner tonight. I got the street corn en fuego bowl. Very excited about that. We have a quesadilla here. Connor got a burrito. Looking good.
Nice little feast.
Yes, very excited. Final feast of the weekend.
Great weekend.
Very solid weekend. Date weekend.
Date weekend.
Success. My hair looks sort of crazy, but I'm just hopping in here to wrap up this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it was sort of like random little moments from the weekend, but I had a really fun time bringing you along. It was a very fun weekend. Perfect mix of responsible with fun, chill. It just was a very good time. I'm very pleased. Sunday went by a little bit too fast for me, but other than that, I'm feeling good. And it's not even 11 p.m. yet, and I am climbing into bed. Connor is already in there, and I'm very excited for a good long sleep. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next one.